You have undoubtedly seen Casa de Papel, a Spanish criminal thriller that had most of us rooting for the bad guys to escape. This interesting series has provided us a view into what happens during bank robberies, and while we don't hear about them very frequently, they do happen. Despite the fact that the Spanish blockbuster series is fictitious, there have been certain real-life bank robberies that have left many people speechless. So, let's take a trip to Casa de Papel in the real world and learn about the top 10 bank robberies of all time. Number 10. Central Bank of Iraq Robbery. This daring crime, often regarded as the largest bank robbery in history, was purportedly planned personally by Saddam Hussein himself just days before the American invasion. According to reports, Hussein left a letter ordering the bank to withdraw $920 million and send it to his son, Qusay, who reportedly spent the greater part of 5 hours with another unknown individual packing the money into cars and transporting it to an unidentified location. It's unknown how much of the total lost cash has been recovered as of today, but at least $650 million was uncovered during a raid at one of Hussein's palaces. Number 9. The United California Bank Robbery. In 1972, the United California Bank was robbed and $30 million was stolen from the bank's vault. The theft, led by Emil Dincio, is claimed to have been expertly planned and executed, allowing the criminals to escape at least for a time. Other individuals in addition to Emil were involved in the robbery, and they were all caught afterwards. Number 8. The Collar Bomb Bank Robbery. Anyone who has watched 30 Minutes or Less would recognize this one, but the true tale is considerably more terrible. A middle-aged pizza delivery man entered the bank in 2003, delivered the teller a letter requesting the money in the vault, and then lowered his shirt to reveal a collar bomb around his neck and chest. He got away for about 15 minutes after snatching the money before being apprehended by state cops. He began yelling that he had been forced to do the heist and that the bomb was about to detonate. The police encircled the location and waited for the bomb disposal team to come, but the bomb began beeping and exploded before they arrived. With FBI agents, a long paper trail of clues, and dead corpses stored in freezers, the story just gets crazier from there. If you want to learn more about the weird twists and turns this case took, watch Netflix's Evil Genius, the true story of America's most diabolical bank heist. Number 7. Bank of Bangladesh Cyber Robbery. In 2016, North Korean hackers attempted to steal $1 billion from the Bank of Bangladesh. The bank's printer stopped working correctly as a result of the hacking, but the personnel didn't seem concerned because they dismissed it as a minor malfunction. However, after rebooting the printer, the bank got an urgent message from the Fed, Federal Reserve Bank of New York, stating that the bank had instructed them to drain all of the bank's funds. Fortunately for them, the transactions were halted because one of them had the term Jupiter, which is the name of an Iranian transport vessel that has been sanctioned. This was enough to prevent the assailants from taking the entire $1 billion, instead just stealing $81 million. 3 Koreans are said to have been apprehended and charged with the crime. Number 6. The Knightsbridge Vault Robbery. The operation was carried off in a shockingly straightforward manner by Italian playboy and career criminal Valerio Viccei, who was involved in over 50 separate bank robberies during his lifetime. He and his armed accomplice subdued the manager and security guards after entering the bank during work hours under the premise of opening a safety deposit box, freeing them up to allow in other accomplices to assist in cracking open as much of the vault as possible. They eventually got away with at least £62 million in cash, jewels, and other items. Viccei gained temporary freedom by escaping to South America, only to be apprehended by British officials and imprisoned when he returned to England to reclaim and transport his Ferrari Testarossa. Number 5. The Brink's-Mat Burglary. The most well-known bank robbery in the United Kingdom was carried out by insiders. A Brink's-Mat security officer called Anthony Black admitted a group of burglars into the company's warehouse at London's Heathrow Airport on the morning of the robbery in 1983. Other guards were trapped. The crew rapidly discovered that the warehouse contained not just a large sum of money, but also gold and jewels. They got off with $41 million in cash, and on their way out, they wished the guards a happy Christmas. Most of the robbers were apprehended, but the gold is still missing. Number 4. The Great Train Robbery of 1963. During the Great Train Robbery of 1963, 15 criminals, commanded by Bruce Reynolds, made off with a current value of $74 million. The thieves were able to trick the train into making an unscheduled stop by disrupting the railway's signaling system. They then boarded the train and removed 124 bags of money and valuables. If the bank holiday in Scotland had not occurred, the amount of money would not have been on hand. The vast majority of the lost funds have yet to be found. Number 3. Dunbar Armored Robbery. The greatest cash robbery ever committed in the United States was also an inside job. One night in 1997, a regional safety inspector for Dunbar enlisted the help of 5 of his childhood friends to ambush the guards at a filled cash drop vault. They filled up a U-Haul and fled after gaining access to the loot, almost getting away with it until one of the criminals became careless and finally confessed. However, more than half of the funds remain unaccounted for to this day. Number 2. Securitas Depot Bank Robbery. Unlike most robberies, this one began with the abduction of Colin Dockson, the manager of the Securitas Cash Depot, and his family. After holding about 14 additional employees hostage, the criminals were able to take over £53 million, around $83 million at the time. Stuart Royal, Roger Coates, Leah Russia, Jetmir Bapapa, and Amir Hassanaj were all caught in 2007, a year after the crime. Lee Murray, the alleged mastermind of the theft, was apprehended in Morocco in 2010. Number 1. Stockholm Helicopter Robbery. Sweden's first helicopter robbery startled police in 2009. Just after 5 a.m., a stolen helicopter landed on the roof of a cash depot building in Stockholm. Sledgehammers were used to break in, explosives were used to blow down the security doors, and vaults were ransacked for cash. The chopper hovered overhead, ready to pick up cash bags and transport the guys. Because a suitcase labeled explosive was left in their hangar, authorities were unable to utilize their own helicopters. Spikes on the road blew out the tires of police cars heading to the building. The $5.3 million heist was perpetrated by 10 individuals. None of the defendants received more than 7 years in prison, and the money was never recovered. That's the end. We have more fantastic videos in store for you, so please check back soon for the next video. Thank you for watching this one. I'll see you next time.